Today I want to explain exactly how Bondora Go Grow works, whether it's really worth it, what returns you can realistically expect, and which risks you should understand before investing. Bondora Go Grow is often described as one of the easiest ways to earn passive income. It's designed for people who don't want to actively manage investments or select individual loans. Instead, you deposit money and Bondora handles everything for you in the background. So how does Bondora Go Grow actually work? Bondora is a peer-to-peer lending platform that provides consumer loans in several European countries. With Go Grow, your money is placed into a pooled portfolio. You don't choose specific loans yourself. As borrowers repay their loans, you earn interest automatically. One of the main reasons people like Go Grow is simplicity. There are no complicated settings, no auto-invest rules to configure, and no loan selection to worry about. You just add money and let the platform do the work. Now let's talk about returns, because that's what most people are curious about. Bondora Go Grow targets an annual return of around 6%. This is not guaranteed, but it's a realistic long-term average to use for examples. To make this very concrete, let's look at different investment amounts and time horizons, assuming an average return of 6% per year and full reinvestment. Let's start small with 100 euros. If you invest 100 euros for 1 year, you would have about 106 euros. After 5 years, that could grow to roughly 134 euros. After 10 years, around 180 euros. And after 15 years, about 245 euros. With small amounts, the growth is slow, but it clearly shows how compound interest works over time. Now let's look at a more realistic starting amount for many people. 1,000 euros. At 6% per year, 1,000 euros would grow to about 1,060 euros after 1 year. After 5 years, around 1,340 euros. After 10 years, roughly 1,800 euros. And after 15 years, close to 2,450 euros. This is where compounding starts to become more noticeable, especially over longer periods. Now let's scale this up to 5,000 euros. With a 5,000 euro investment, after 1 year you would have around 5,300 euros. After 5 years, approximately 6,700 euros. After 10 years, around 9,000 euros. And after 15 years, roughly 12,200 euros. Again, these numbers are examples, not promises, but they clearly show how time and consistency matter much more than trying to chase extremely high returns. Another important aspect of Bondora Go Grow is liquidity. Unlike many other peer-to-peer platforms, Go Grow allows you to withdraw your money relatively quickly. You don't need to wait for individual loans to mature or sell them on a secondary market. This makes it feel similar to a high-interest savings account, even though it is still an investment. However, this leads directly to the risks, and it's important to be honest about them. First, Bondora Go Grow is not a bank account. Your money is not protected by a government deposit guarantee. If Bondora were to face serious financial difficulties, investors could lose money. Second, you have no control over loan selection. You fully rely on Bondora's risk management and decision-making. Third, during periods of economic stress, Bondora can limit withdrawals or adjust returns. This has happened in the past, and it's something investors should be aware of. So who is Bondora Go Grow actually suitable for? It can make sense for people who want a simple, hands-off investment and are comfortable with moderate returns and moderate risk. It can also work as a small part of a diversified portfolio, but it should not be your only investment. To summarize, Bondora Go Grow offers simplicity, relatively stable returns, and easy access to your money. At the same time, returns are lower than some other peer-to-peer platforms, and risks still exist. Whether Bondora Go Grow is worth it depends on what you value more: ease of use and flexibility, or higher potential returns with more complexity. If this video helped you understand how Bondora Go Grow works, consider subscribing for more clear and honest investing guides. Thanks for watching.